A place where contemporary design and the preservation of the land come together poetically, revealing panoramic views of the channel and dramatic granite ridges that seem eager to become part of the construction. This is Shoreline House. The home is positioned among rocky outcrops, surrounded by mature oaks and firs, with a view that stretches across the entire channel. The new owners purchased a 1960s home with the intention of transforming the space. Considering the proximity to the ocean and the delicate local habitat, Splyce Design proposed the least environmentally invasive alternative, preserving and renovating the original structure, complemented by a compact single-story addition. Strict shoreline setback regulations required the extension to be built within an irregularly shaped perimeter. Expansive windows, some with frameless interior finishes, blur the boundary between indoors and out. Others were strategically positioned to frame specific views. Together, they capture the ever-changing ambient light and reflect the ocean, bringing a luminous animation to the interior throughout the day. The addition houses the primary bedroom and ensuite bathroom. The house feels as though it has always belonged here, yet is subtly introduced into the landscape. With a minimal footprint, the new volume touches the land lightly. The concrete foundation is set back from the outer wood walls to avoid excessive excavation in a protected marine area, while the roof appears to hover 4 meters above a cantilevered wall that extends to a dramatic point. The contrast between volumes, the interplay of light and dark materials, the thoughtful use of light, and the respect for the surroundings create an architectural narrative that reinforces the natural serenity and elegance of the place. The approach to the house is choreographed by a front staircase flanked by colonnades, creating a rhythmic visual sequence. Shoreline House is more than a modernist residence. Built in harmony with rock, vegetation, and sea, it stands as an example of how the new can thrive without erasing the old, and how architecture can be gentle, conscious, and inspiring. It is a place where time, nature, and form converge with ease.